Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic how to apply for a job at Walmart online. So you make sure you will be on this official website careers.walmart.com. After select the all careers like in store jobs, corporate, healthcare, technology and driver and distribution centers. So I want to find in store, just select store and give them title like I want to just salesman. So I want to just tab on it and you will just also select the location where are you from and you want a job. So like this kind of jobs you will be able to see and how to apply. So I'm going to just tap on it as well, and after what we're gonna do, you will be just read all the terms and conditions, and after well done you will just tap to apply and it will be go for the next window. So when it's completely load, so right now you will just have to start your application for the sales and training manager. You will also autofill with resume, apply manually, use my last application from the LinkedIn. And if I just tap for apply manually, so you will just have to wait for the moment. So first of all, you will just have to create the account simply as well and put them information, your experience, your application and questions, will entry disclosures and after review and you will be able to submit the job request to Walmart. So that's it. Thank you.